Nice.
Our good friend from Houston, Riaz Karim Mirji. Riaz bhai, yani madad.
यार मदद कैसे सब लोग?
Riyaz, as always, you're always there for us.
I'm glad to be part. I'm honored to be part of Future Superstars, and thank you so much for the
so much
opportunity.
for everything.
Any help that I can do is like is an honor. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Must say, Riaz bhai, great videos.
Yali
Very
Madad,
well done.
Muki Sahib Bashir,
Malali
pleasure
Madad
meeting you.
sahib, right? Yeah, same here, beta. Same here.
Very
Good
well
job.
done.
बहुत अच्छे. The videos were very nicely done.
Yeah.
Shukar,
Good
shukar.
job.
Bola. It's a team effort. Like Kamar Sahib Riz said, teamwork makes the dream works.
Yes,
So
so
definitely.
true.
Thank
And
you.
Bashir bhai, Riaz is a singer. He is a
Wow.
musician. He is a director.
Nice.
He directed one of the songs with the Merchant Records with Salim Suleiman.
Arey wow,
He is
nice.
Arfan Mola, and we are so up to
Yeah,
him.
good talent.
Yeah, so
Keep
where
it
can I
up.
find your
Good
work,
job.
Riaz bhai? Is it like on YouTube?
You can find it on YouTube. Yes, definitely. When you if you type in Riaz Karim Viji, you'll find like line of work
Nice.
that I have. चाहे वो फिल्म हो, म्यूजिक वीडियो हो, खुद का गाना हो एक का दो.
Arey wow, nice.
फ्यूचर सुपरस्टार का गाना भी मिलेगा इंशाल्लाह आपको.
Oh,
Inshallah.
nice. Very
The
nice.
theme song for Future Superstar. There was a fun project we
Yeah.
did in 2021.
Yes.
2021, yes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much for everything.
You know, the one we did the Future Superstar theme song, Bashir bhai, he's the man behind.
Oh, really? Oh.
For the lyrics, music, direction, he's the one.
Good.
Oh, wow. Very nice. Very nice. Look, I really look forward to seeing some of your work, Riaz bhai. And
It will be
maybe
an honor, Bashir bhai, Mukisa Bashir. It will definitely be a huge honor if you can,
I
at least
will, and I
glance
will.
some of the work.
Yeah, I want to meet with you, and maybe we can have a show in Calgary.
Inshallah. I think that's in the plan.
Yeah, good. We are waiting.
Jalal bhai kept saying you need to come.
Yeah.
Nice.
Inshallah.
Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you.
So, Riaz, when you did the video part, were you surprised by the videos? I know you were the first one who watched the videos.
Yes, I got the chance to watch all the videos backstage. Mashallah, I think they have grown up, first of all, not just physically, even through their talent, they have grown so much. They have grown a lot. And we can see, we can witness today how much of training they have been doing, how much of practices, how much of rehearsals, how much of support the parents are giving them. And now they are already performing out there, showing the actual world कि इनके पास क्या talent है. और यहाँ पे in Houston, I've witnessed a lot of them. Some of them, they are not part of this Future Superstars, but they were part of the Future Superstars in the past, and they have flourished. They are doing amazing work, and the Jamaat, the people, the public, they are loving it so much to a different level. I'll be honest, to a different level. I think ये सब definitely parents का भी हाथ है. जलाल भाई, सलमा जी, रिज जादव जी, and पूरा जो future superstars का जो टीम है, आपका भी बहुत बड़ा हाथ है, because pandemic में कोई shows नहीं था. If you remember, there were no shows out there.
Yeah.
It was all from home. They were at home. They were some people, they were lost.
Yeah.
कुछ लोगों को पता नहीं था हम लोग क्या करें. और जो बच्चे कुछ थोड़ा बहुत टैलेंट वो लोग ने, अगर माँ बाप ने थोड़ा शुरू करवाया है, उसको पॉलिश कैसे करेंगे. तो पॉलिश कराया फ्यूचर सुपरस्टार्स ने, जलाल भाई ने, एंड नाउ पॉलिश करने के बाद जब सब कुछ खुल गया, वो लोग बाहर आए
जी,
बहुत निखर के आए.
सही बात है.
बहुत निखर के आए. माशाल्लाह, आई हैव सीन माई आई विटनेस माई सेल्फ, एंड इलियन बोलो, सारा बोलो, यहाँ पे जो ह्यूस्टन में, I can talk about them because I've seen them in person. अपना क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ज़ेन,
Yeah.
तो टेक्सास में जितने हैं यू नो कुछ कुछ चीजें मैं देखता हूँ लाइव, तो आई कुड टेल के माशाल्लाह बहुत दे हैव ग्रोन अप सो मच,
Yeah.
दे हैव ग्रोन अप सो मच. अभी फिजिकल एज वाइज तो सब लोग ग्रो करते हैं, सब लोग एज करते हैं, बट थ्रू देयर टैलेंट इतना ग्रोथ माशाल्लाह.
Yeah. Mashallah.
अभी ये लेवल पे अगर आप ये देख रहे हो, आगे जाके क्या करेंगे?
Yeah. We wish them all the best. Yeah. Thank you आपकी support का always.
No, it's a teamwork, Salma ji. I think हम लोग एक it's an honor कि हम लोग you know आने
कुछ कर
वाली
सकते
जो फ्यूचर को हम लोग कुछ कर सकते हैं इनके लिए,
कुछ कर
जो अपनी जमा दे फ्यूचर जमा दे.
yeah.
वो लोग अगर आगे जाके कुछ करेंगे मौला के सामने, अगर वो लोग कभी परफॉर्म करे, अपने लिए सबसे बड़ी ऑनर वही है. अपने लिए वो अवार्ड है. That's rewarding. That's the biggest award for us as a team के हम लोग कुछ कर सकते हैं इनके लिए.
बिल्कुल.
And you know, now I have a very special guest. He is a musician. He is a singer. He is a director. He does so much volunteer work around, especially in US. ये गाना भी लिखते हैं. He is a lyricist as well. लेकिन ये गाना लिखते हैं अपने लिए. Then he writes, Bashir Bhai, he writes songs for Salim Sulaiman.
Wow.
We are very honored to have him again on the show. One and only my childhood friend from Pakistan, from Garden Scouts, Kamal Haji.
जलाल भाई,
क्या हाल है? काफी अरसे से शक्ल नहीं देखी तुम्हारी.
I know. सलमा, आप कैसी हैं?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
I'm doing well. Thank you so much for asking. Bashir bhai, good to see you.
Come on,
Riyaz, bro.
Yeah,
Riyaz is in my
Kamal bhai.
backyard. What's up, Riyaz? Good to see you, buddy.
जलाल भाई, आप ह्यूस्टन वाले को एकदम हमेशा साथ में रखते हो. राज क्या है?
इसके पीछे क्या राज है? That's right.
You know, अभी जो recently जो Merchant Record का जो नया गीत आया है, गाना आया है, what is it called?
अल्लाह के प्यारे नबी.
अल्लाह की प्यारी नबी, written by one and only Kamal Haji again.
Haji.
माशाल्लाह.
मुबारक भाई, मुबारक, बहुत माशाल्लाह भाई.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Shukran. Very honored.
Yeah.
अच्छा, Kamal bhai, did you get a chance to watch any videos the one we did today? The one we did today?
No, actually, I was out and about. I apologize, but I'll watch it on demand later.
Yes, please do that. लेकिन about your new song,
जी.
congratulations, Mubarak फिर से to be
Thank you so much.
Salim Sulaiman again. And how did it go? Like,
it went well. This time, the composition was very different, and just the composition by itself, without any words, it had so much divinity in it. अगर आप सुने ना, la la dara darata dara 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 dara. Yeah, this is the tune.
Wow.
अल्लाह के प्यारे नबी हुजूर है मेरे नबी, आया तेरे दर पे नबी, कर दे करम मेरे नबी अल्लाह. So this is the tune and those are the words.
Wow.
So it was such a beautiful experience again. And this time, every time in Bhumi, Salim Sulaiman, they do a different theme and they just always, raise the bar. This time, alongside Salim, we had Richa Sharma ji.
Yeah.
And she sings so beautifully. इतनी like एक बड़ी बहन जैसी आवाज है उनकी. आप सुनाओगे इतना मजा आएगा. The way she's sang, the song, So I'm sure, both Bashir Bhai and Riyaz, they're very great artists themselves. They'll appreciate, the detail that, she has portrayed in this expression. Or jo visuals hai, I just love the visuals this time. Your theme tha, blue color ka theme tha, was just so beautifully done. And of course, the musical arrangement, the powerful vocal arrangement.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा था यार. सब
इस
शुक्र
बार गाना गाया है रीचा शर्मा ने.
जी.
Hey, मुबारक कमाल भाई.
बहुत अच्छी आवाज. Yeah.
अरे बशीर, आप पहले मिले हो कमाल को? कभी सुना आपने, कभी देखा आपने?
नहीं
Yeah, but
कभी
जिस-
no first time मिल रहा हूँ and I'm already flabbergasted. So I'm floored. I'm floored. खत्म. No, mashallah, Kamal. Very proud and pleased to meet you, Kamal bhai. So
Same Bashir bhai,
it's
alhamdulillah.
it's a real honor, very much of an honor. And both Riaz bhai and Kamal bhai, it's an honor to meet you both. So
Shukr, alhamdulillah. And I think
It's our honor.
alhamdulillah, it's really nice connecting with you all. But I think it's our collective honor. Salma
जी।
ji's, Bashir bhai's, and Riaz's honor
सब लोग
to be in
मिलकर
the presence of Jalal. क्योंकि let us not underestimate कि we are in the presence of royalty here, right?
yeah,
Yes.
Jalal bhai is like
the great guy who started this future superstar.
I'm-
Don't
I'm
underestimate the value of the
The
common.
supreme connector.
telling
He connects all the artists, man.
He
Like
connects-
that's
क्या बोलते हैं
आप लोग का
the-
सबका
the-
टीम एफर्ट है, सब लोग कितना घंटे लगाकर इतना टाइम लगा के सबने इसको सामने पेश किया है लोगों के, तो
जी,
सबका
जी।
कुछ ना कुछ थोड़ा हिस्सा है, बट ऑफ
बेशक।
कोर्स इट्स अ बेबी ऑफ जलाल आडक and
बिल्कुल।
Coffee with Jalal, and we all are helping out to support for the good cause and support the talent in our community.
Of course,
So,
and
yeah.
it's great to see
Thank you
this.
so much to everyone. Thank
Yeah,
you.
no, thank you everyone, and it's so good to see this initiative, Jalal bhai,
Ji.
and I know the beautiful composition and
Ji.
song written by Riaz. The original version I had listened,
Yeah.
it was very nicely
Wow.
done, and of course I've seen Bashir bhai perform in several videos as well. And thanks to Salma ji for carrying all the shows done by Jalal, because Jalal by himself, I don't think he can.
नहीं
ऐसा नहीं है।
बाद में मारेंगे मुझे बाद में
Bashir, you were saying something before.
है
No, Bashir was going to
Yeah, I
say
was just
something.
saying the one and only. I was message वो कहते हैं ना the superstar के superstar दी जलाल.
जी जलाल
बिल्कुल
जो
बिल्कुल
जिनका जाहो जलाल है, जिनकी वजह से आज हम यहाँ आ
वही।
सके हैं,
नहीं, जी
वरना
सही
हमारा
बात।
बाहर से
इंडिया में
आवाज-
जैसे रजनीकांत है, यहाँ पे अपने जलाल भाई।
हाँ, तो वहाँ पे वो
बिल्कुल
दलाइला
सही,
है,
बिल्कुल
यहाँ पे
सही।
जलाइला है।
अरे वाह क्या बात है
क्या बात
कमाल
है।
भाई आपको एक गाना
आपके
लिखना ही
kind
पड़ेगा
words,
हमारे
आपके
लिए
इतने प्यारे अल्फाज,
देखेंगे
इतनी
इंशाल्लाह,
खुशी
इंशाल्लाह,
सब लोग
God
हम
willing।
महसूस कर रहे हैं, तो बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत
यानी कमल भाई, I was going to
उससे
say
बड़ी
this.
बात क्या, दीपिका आपकी फैन है।
अरे क्या बोलते हैं?
वो फिर से वो लाएगा वीडियो जलाल देखा। ओ
जलाल
रियाज
जलालुद्दीन
Yeah, she's always with me. Don't worry.
इसकी है ना इतना ढेर सारा खून बढ़ जाता है, पता है ना,
बिल्कुल बढ़ जा
ढेर
सल-
सारा खून बढ़
सलमा जी, आप-
कितने लाल हो रहे हैं।
सलमा जी आप बिल्कुल ठीक बोल रहे हो। ये रियाज भी बड़ा चालाक है, जिस तरह से बटन प्रेस करता है ना जलाल के, उसने भी बटन प्रेस किया वहां से, तो वहां से उसने जो है रिएक्ट किया।
आप
I love
जितने भी बटन प्रेस करो, मग अभी तक मिला नहीं हम लोग को।
That's true, Riaz. I'm so glad you brought that up. जितनी हमारी तारीफें करते हैं जलाल भाई, जितना हमें माशाल्लाह इतना मान देते हैं, लेकिन at the end of the day, the real test is whether we have received the mug or
The
not,
mug.
and which we have
या,
not.
देखें,
रियाज and I.
ये जी, मेरे
So,
पास है ये
हंसी
देखिए।
आपके पास है, I'm sure बशीर भाई को भी स्पेशल
हमारे
वीआईपी
पास
डिलीवरी
भी
गई
है,
होगी।
exactly.
हाँ, लेकिन रियाज एंड आई जो है तो
तरस
यार,
रहे हैं।
आ
अभी
जाओ
तरस
ना
रहे हैं।
लेने के
वो
लिए,
मार्क्स से पिए कभी कुछ।
या इनसे लेने आ जाओ, मिल
जलाल
जाओ
भाई,
हमसे, और इनका कॉफी जलाल का मग भी ले लो, ठीक है?
तब तक प्यास बुझेगी नहीं।
तब तक प्यास बुझेगी। There you go.
Yeah.
Because bigger,
Thank you for everything.
अरे देखो सलमा जी, मैं आपको बताऊं, bigger the mug, it's like हवा with जलाल। There's no coffee with जलाल।
जलाल सुन लो
मग जब
तो।
तक मग नहीं, कॉफी किस में डालेंगे?
या,
So it's just हवा with जलाल है चल रहा है हमारे यहाँ। ह्यूस्टन का जो
अभी तक
चैप्टर
ये
है,
चलेगा।
yeah.
You know, I just want to make an announcement. मैंने किसी को कोई पैसे नहीं दिए आज बोलने के लिए कुछ भी. Bashir, just to say about Kamal, he was my childhood friend back in Garden Scouts.
Scouts में थे हम लोग साथ।
He was, जब Scouts में थे, he was my junior, but then he went to the flute band. He started to play drama in the flute.
Yeah.
वहाँ
Oh,
से
wow.
music journey started, and now he's one of the famous. Riaz Karim, we just met him here during pandemic, and he's the best. So I want to bring both of them to Calgary to do the
या,
show.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल।
Wonderful. Wow, I can't wait.
Bring both of you, man. I think
Inshallah.
Jamaat is due to watch him. Seriously,
Yeah.
They
Yes.
deserve to watch, and you deserve to do a show here.
Yeah.
Inshallah.
बिल्कुल,
Please,
बिल्कुल,
please.
इंशाल्लाह, इंशाल्लाह.
You must do a show here.
You know,
Yeah.
and
If it's,
that's you know, yeah. Go ahead, Bashir bhai.
मैं कह रहा था अगर जमात के लिए है तो पहला शो इनका जनरेशंस में होना चाहिए.
या अरे वाह, क्या बात है.
Generations.
Generations Jamaat Khana.
Oh, it's the name of Jamaat
Alhamdulillah,
Khana. I see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah,
So I'm the mukhi of Generations Jamaat Khana. So it's officially
अरे वाह.
आप लोगों को invite कर रहा हूँ कि please.
अरे
you know,
माशाल्लाह.
yeah,
अरे
so
तो बड़ी
you have to
बड़ी
do
खुशी
that.
की खबर है मुखी साहब. जबरदस्त यार. I love
Yeah.
It's an honor, Mukhi
We
sir.
all will
आपने
do
खुद
a
बोला
show
है.
there. Yeah. Good.
जबरदस्त.
Look
नहीं,
forward
मैं-
to it.
Thank you for
मैं आपको
inviting.
Yeah, thank you for the kind invitation. नहीं, मैं आपको बताऊं हमारा childhood में, like he said, right? We were so honored, we were so privileged कि हमारे पास वो एक platform था.
Yeah.
तो scouting का जो platform था, of course I was a scout and you know Jalal bhai was like the patrol leader. But हमें इतनी सारी opportunities वहाँ मिलती थी और जैसा कि उन्होंने कहा कि
Yeah.
Flute Band was launched, so we were able to get our hands on you know our first musical instrument
Yeah.
you know through that channel, or you know it opens up a lot of doors for you, you know, getting access to being able to you know witness the orchestra perform during Kushalis, sit through their practices.
Mhm.
So it was yeah, as a matter of fact, Jalal bhai recently went to I recently went to Pakistan and I met a few of your family members, especially
Oh, nice.
the Kamre Sahab, you know, Amin Hadrali.
Yeah, yeah.
And we talked about you, of course, and the days when you used to, because Jalal bhai was our table tennis champion.
Yeah. Yeah.
And और वाकई उस जमाने में कंपटीशन फियर्स होता था
बहुत.
और ये जलाल भाई जो है ना जो है माशाल्लाह ही वाज ऑलवेज ऑन टॉप और लास्ट पॉइंट तक वो चलता था इनका और कामरे साहब इनके कजन ही थे कामरे साहब
Yeah.
तो बड़ा जबरदस्त we have so many memories
Good. Nice memories. Yeah.
yeah so I went to the scout room also Jalal bhai, you know, was so
Yes, yes.
it brought
yes.
back a lot of
A lot
memories.
of memories. No, I think just to add on this table tennis, and now the next games are coming next year.
Yes,
So I've
that's
been
right.
appointed for as a manager for the Canadian table tennis team.
Good for you.
Wow.
Oh wow, mashallah.
Inshallah, traveling to Dubai for that, inshallah, next year.
Good for you.
हाँ.
Chalo, inshallah.
Yeah, wish you all the best,
Well
Jalal
deserved,
bhai.
well deserved, mashallah, well deserved.
And I have one more video to play. I'm sure you guys know this video,
Very
but I
well.
want to play again.
फिर दीपिका आएगी देखना हाँ हाँ go ahead. जलाल भाई हम लोग we can't wait to see the oh अच्छा
नहीं, सलीम सुलेमान
सलीम
के
भाई
साथ.
अच्छा
So, Deepika,
सलीम सुलेमान के साथ.
yes, I don't know if I can play somehow. Let's see. Here we go.
Okay, are you surprised to see me on Coffee with Jalal? Well, he's not. I'm so happy we've landed in Calgary and looking forward to the show on 27th. I hope you bought your tickets.
Well,
That's
this
great.
is so
That's
surprise,
so
Salim
nice.
Bhai, to have you in Calgary. We love you, you know this, and cannot wait for the
Hey,
concert.
where's my coffee?
The whole team is here. Salma is here. Lata ji is here. And of course, Neelam ji is here. All of us are here. And of course, we just received the boss here, Salim Merchant. And of course, the Suleiman is coming as well. The whole team is coming. And hopefully, we can have lots of fun. Get your ticket. Salim bhai, anything? Any last moment?
I didn't get my coffee with Jalal.
Oh,
Now I have to get it now.
अच्छा मैं I want to react to this video Jalal bhai if you don't mind.
Yeah.
हम सोच रहे थे रियाज यू एंड आई कि हम अभी तक उम्मीद लगाए बैठे कि हमारे पास वो कॉफी आएगी मग आएगा इवन सलीम मर्चेंट तक को उसने कप नहीं दिया है
Yeah, लेकिन
और जब उन्होंने पूछा सलीम मर्चेंट ने वेयर इज माय कॉफी तो उन्होंने सीधा कहा सलमा इज हियर लता इज हियर ओ भाई वो कॉफी का पूछ लेकिन सलीम बीइंग सलीम ही सेड
बात बदल दी एकदम.
हाँ लेकिन ही ब्रॉट बैक
Yes.
कि भाई मेरा जो कॉफी मैंने आपसे कहा था वो किधर
लंबी लाइन है भाई, लंबी लाइन है.
लंबी
अभी
लाइन.
लंबी लाइन
मुझे
है.
नहीं लगता रियाज अपनी
हम
बारी
लोग
खाने
का
वाली
नंबर
है.
आएगा ही नहीं.
हाँ, मुझे लगता है मैं अपना खुद कब जाके लेना पड़ेगा
Yeah.
उसपे कॉफी भी
मैं
चल
लगा
जाओ,
लूंगा,
जाओ,
लगा
लेने
लूंगा.
के
मेरे
लिए
पास
order
लोगो है.
देना
कमाल
नहीं है.
कमाल भाई लोगो है मेरे पास. I'll make one for you.
बस there you go thank you so much
You know what the reason I played the video? So you know, okay, you have to wait long time to get it.
चलो अच्छा भैया
लंबी लाइन है भाई, लंबी लाइन है, बहुत लंबी लाइन है.
जबरदस्त अच्छा जलाल भाई one thing about Jalal भाई he is also a very good skit writer and a performer हम सब of course participate करते थे but Jalal भाई you remember right
Yes, I do.
campfire वगैरह में
Yeah. I used to
Really?
write. Yes, I used to write small plays for our campfire
Yeah.
scouts dramas.
yep
And I think one of the year we won the first position, Gold Cup as well.
Oh, क्या बात.
wow.
Yes. So
क्या बात है
those are
छुपा
all-
रुस्तम
No, I think so nice to have you. And
Thank you for coming. Thank you.
Nidhi,
for
thank you
your
so much.
time, for
And I
everything.
must say that the year he won that championship, he did receive the cup, but he likes to receive the cup only. He doesn't like to give it
Doesn't
away.
like to give.
the cup.
So let us, leave on that note. But thank you so much.
Okay,
So
thank
nice
you.
meeting everyone.
Thank you.
Nice to
Jalal,
meet
right?
you.
Nice to meet
so
you.
very
Thank
okay.
you,
So people
Salman.
can
Nice
go.
to see you
Okay,
both.
like, come on. So people can go on the YouTube and watch the song.
Yes, Allah ke pyare Nabi. If you just type Allah ke pyare Nabi or just type Bhumi 2024, this song will pop
Yeah.
up. And you must witness, how this song has been picturized, the visuals, of course, the composition, the vocal arrangements, musical arrangements, and it'll bring you in the spirit of Eid Miladun Nabi.
Yeah.
So इंशाल्लाह आपको अच्छा
Inshallah.
लगेगा तो प्लीज उसको एक्सपीरियंस कीजिएगा उसको बड़ी मेहनत की
Thank
है
you.
टीम सलीम
Thank
सलीमान ने
Nice. Wow.
चलो
Allah
आप
Hafiz.
यही एंड करते बशी I hope you enjoyed it as our
Yes,
celebrity.
very much. Very much. Absolutely.
It was great
Absolutely.
fun.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much Salman ji, आपको joining
Thank
us.
you so
Thank
much,
you
Jalal
to
bhai.
everyone.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
याली
Bashir.
मदद
Yeah.
Nice
Thank
to
you so
meet
much.
you both. And
Hold
Nice
on.
meeting you,
Thank
Nuki Sahib, Bashir.
nice to meet you as well
you.
thank
Yes,
you
Yes,
again
bhai.
Jalal.
Thank you so much.
Yes, bhai. Thanks for
Take
everything,
care,
buddy.
Kamal bhai.
You behind the
Thank you
scenes.
so much.
Poster for
It's a
everything.
pleasure and looking forward for more. Thank you so much. Thank you.